Yo YouTube, what is going on? It's Stay Humble White and I'm back at it again with another vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you guys and my girlfriend how to be changing the brakes on her car. She's got a 2013 Nissan Rogue. She's got a 2013 Nissan Rogue, and today I believe we're just going to change the brake pads for the simple fact that the rotors are still good and the brake pads really haven't worn down enough to ruin these rotors right here. So we're just going to be changing the pads. So I'm gonna take... Alright guys, so it's Nicole's turn to take off her front brakes. She's currently loosening up the first 14mm bolt. To take off this caliper, you gotta take off that 14, and it comes out. Caliper comes out, you push the piston back in, push the new pads in there, and that's pretty much it. It's easy. Whoa. So Nicole's gonna do it. You could take those out with your hands.
With my hands, yeah. It's easier.
And pull them out as you go. Yep, just like that. You put on the floor, or if you want, you can use the electrical ratchet too. All right, so she's got her two 14s out. Now she's gonna pull the caliper out. No, this piece right here. Just pull it like. All right, now you can place it right here.
Push the piston in.
Yep, I'll push the piston in right now for you. So I'm gonna push this piston in there, change the pads, guys, and we'll go from there. No. All right, so what you're gonna do is...
Oh, with the screwdriver.
Yeah, you grab these two clips, you take that out. Grab these two clips, you take that out. Now the brakes are hot, so be careful. You're gonna slide this pad out, slide that pad out, and you put it on the floor. Grab your new pads. Got the new pads. Make sure you put them on right. So it basically goes just the way they are right here. This one goes like that. Whoa. Hey, there you go. Now grab an old piston. An old brake pad. Put on the piston. Now I'm gonna grab my C-clamp, which is right here. Here you go. Clamp it together. You might have to open it up. Slide it out. Slide it. There you go. There you go. So you're gonna put one end here. Here, hold the GoPro real quick. You're gonna put one end right here and one end right there. Push it back in. Just push the piston in. Now I got the brake cap open, so you don't gotta go slow.
Can I do that?
If you want, yeah.
You already did half of it.
There you go. Look at my girlfriend doing her own brakes. Alright, now you take it out. You can unscrew it, babe. Just like that, yep. Slide it up. That's cool, you don't gotta take it out all the way. Take this pad out, and you can put it back in. Hey. Now, when you put it in...
Wait, you didn't put the pins on. That doesn't matter?
No, these you can't put the pins on these pads right here. So, remember, you gotta push these things in right here. That's probably why your bottom was not in. Go ahead, push it on. And there you go. All right, so now that Nicole's got her two bolts on there, she's gonna tighten them up. And her tool of choice is the electrical power ratchet. Just put some hand force on there, babe, after you push the button. Make sure it's completely straight. And now wrench it with your hand, like push it down, pull force down. Like if it was the ratchet, babe.
Oh, okay.
That's tight. And this one is tight. All right, this one's done. These tires are ready to go back on. Oh, and while I was at it, guys, the summer's almost over. Well, the summer's over, it's already fall. So I'm gonna rotate her tires. So I'm gonna put the front ones in the back and the back ones in the front, because the front ones have more grip than the back ones. So I'm gonna put these tires on, go do the other side, guys, and we'll go from there. So Nicole's got her tire on. She's gonna tighten up her lug nuts, guys, and this side is completely done. All right guys, so I started the back already just to speed up the process. I took off the caliper already. I pushed the piston in already. The way I took off this caliper, I took off the 14 from right here and the 14 from down there. Once you take off those two 14s, the caliper comes out. You push that piston back in, you put your new pads back in, and you put everything together, and that's it. So I'm gonna put everything back together, guys, and I'll show you exactly how it's gonna look once you're done. Guys, so I put the new pads on. Now I'm gonna put the caliper on. All right guys, so once you put the pads in and you put the caliper back on, all you simply do is tighten up this screw right here and this screw right there, and then you're pretty much done. So I'm gonna tighten that right now. That's tight. All right guys, so I did that side already. That side is completely done. Now Nicole's getting to her front and she's taking off the two 14s, and then she's gonna push her piston in. Excuse me. Thank you. All right, so she pulls that out. There you go. Yeah, my girlfriend's doing it, guys. Grab an old pad.
Can you hold this?
I'll hold this. There you go. There you go. The C-clamp, she got the C-clamp already. Stretch it out all the way. I gotta blow my nose. I'll hold that, tighten it. All right, now you hold it with both your hands and tighten it. It in, guys. So now what you're gonna do is take that out, grab your new brake pads on, put your new ones on, grab, I'll go grab them. So you're gonna put them the same way. Look, all you gotta do is look at the, yeah, I see it, I'll grab it. All you gotta do is put them the same way as the rotor is. Put them in the bottom one first, then you put them up there. There you go, got it. Same way for the back. If you want, oh, you're putting those backwards, that's why. They gotta go other way, like that. But like this, yep, there you go. There you go. Now you grab the ratchet that fell, the ratchet fell right there somewhere, there you go. Put that thing back on. My girlfriend's doing it, guys. Remember to push these in right here. Once you get those in and they're lined up, you put your screws in and it's good to go. Twist it the other way. Yep, other way. There you go. You might have to pick it up to make sure it goes inside.
It's inside.
There you go. Do the other one. Now tighten it up with the ratchet. Make sure it's twisting the right way.
I fixed it. I locked it.
Push it. Twist that. There you go. Go ahead, send it. Don't be scared. Wait. Loosen it. That side is tight. That side is tight. These brakes are done, guys. Now to just put the tire back on, and we'll go from there. One thing about my girlfriend, she doesn't mind doing a man's job, guys. As you can see, she's fucking putting the tire on by herself. She nearly fucking didn't want to talk to me because I told her I was gonna do these brakes by myself. So I had to tell her we'll do them together so she can talk to me again. I'm shaking my head. Looks like I'm about to put that tire on because she don't know what she's doing.
Nah, stop trying to play.
She don't know what she's doing, YouTube. Look at her, look at her. Let a man do his job, babe. Let a man do his job. Here. You just simply pick it up and put it in the hole. Oh, wait.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah.
What the hell? Jack the car up a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Jack
Let
it
a
up.
man do his job,
Let
right?
a man do his job.
Trying to play me, YouTube. Y'all hear this?
Alright, it's good. Where's the, let me get the L.
I got that.
Let a man do his job, baby. It's like that. Let me just tighten up these two right here for you and you're good. Alright guys, so I've officially showed you and my girlfriend how to change brakes on a 2013, well, brake pads on a 2013 Nissan Rogue. With that being said, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the content of me teaching my girlfriend how to change her own brakes. If you did, drop a like right now. If you did, drop a comment. I don't know if I told you, but subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you stay up to date with everything that I post. And once again guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Peace.